Have you ever paused to consider the environmental impact of the everyday plastic wrap? The convenience is undeniable, but at what cost? Each year, millions of tons of plastic contribute to the rapidly growing problem of pollution, choking our planet. But what if there was a sustainable, reusable alternative? Enter beeswax wraps. Beeswax wraps are a natural, reusable alternative to plastic wrap. Made from cotton infused with beeswax, tree resin, and jojoba oil, these wraps are not only environmentally friendly but also surprisingly easy to make at home. To embark on this eco-friendly journey, you will need the following materials: 100% cotton fabric, beeswax pellets, jojoba oil, powdered pine resin, a paintbrush, and an old cookie sheet. Remember, the fabric will shrink slightly in the process, so cut it a bit larger than the desired final size. Step 1. Preheat your oven to a low setting, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 2. Spread the fabric out on the cookie sheet. For Step 3, sprinkle a generous layer of beeswax pellets evenly over the fabric. Add a teaspoon of jojoba oil and 2 tablespoons of powdered pine resin. The oil makes the wrap flexible, while the resin gives it a slight stickiness, mimicking the cling of plastic wrap. Step 4 involves melting. Place the cookie sheet in the preheated oven for about 4 to 8 minutes, or until the beeswax melts completely. Watch this process closely to avoid burning the wax. Step 5, using the paintbrush, spread the melted mixture evenly across the fabric, making sure that every inch is covered. Step 6, remove the cookie sheet from the oven and lift the fabric using tongs. Be careful, it's hot. Hold it up until the beeswax mixture hardens, which should take about 1 to 2 minutes. And finally, Step 7, hang the fabric up to dry completely. Once dry, your beeswax wrap is ready to use. To summarize, making beeswax wraps involves cutting the fabric to size, sprinkling it with beeswax pellets, jojoba oil, and pine resin, and then melting these ingredients in the oven. Spreading the mixture evenly with a paintbrush is key, followed by letting it harden and dry. This simple 7-step process produces an eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap that's reusable, biodegradable, and completely natural. Not only does it help reduce your carbon footprint, but it also adds a personal homemade touch to your kitchen. So next time you reach for the plastic wrap, think about the difference you could make by choosing sustainable beeswax wraps instead. After all, every small step towards sustainability is a giant leap for our planet.